What is emergency kit and why is it important?
An emergency supply kit is a collection of basic items you and your family may need in the event of an emergency. Being prepared means have food, water, and other supplies to last you and your family for at least 72 hours. Having an emergency kit is an important step to prepare and protect your household for unforeseen events. An emergency kit is essential for short-term survival, providing vital items for you, your family, or household. It is a good idea to always keep your kit in a handy place.
The several categories into which the emergency kit is divided are as follows. 1. First aid kit. 2. Personal care items or hygiene kit. 3. Other practical emergency items. And 4. Food first aid kit.
A first aid kit is a box, bag, or pack that holds supplies used to treat minor injuries including cuts, scrapes, burns, bruises, and sprains. More elaborate first aid kits can also include survival supplies, life-saving emergency supplies, or convenience items like flu medicine.
Some examples of first aid kit are the following.
1. Dressing.
A dressing is used to protect a wound and prevent infection, but also to allow healing. A dressing should be large enough to totally cover the wound, with a safety margin of about 2.5 centimeters on all sides beyond the wound.
2. Betadine.
Betadine first aid solution is an antiseptic and disinfectant agent. It is used for the treatment and prevention of infections in wounds and cuts. It kills the harmful microbes and controls their growth, thereby preventing infections in the affected area.
3. Medicine.
In your first aid kit, medication to combat pain would also be included. Medicine like ibuprofen which treat pain and have the added bonus of calming down inflammation. Be sure to take only the recommended dose because too much can be toxic to the liver.
4. Cotton.
Cotton is used for cleaning wounds as well as padding and protection. Cotton is great at soaking up blood, but it can also dispense liquids. It has the highest grade of absorbency in a range of styles and sizes.
5. Alcohol.
Rubbing alcohol is used for disinfecting and cleaning superficial wounds and can also use to clean utensils in your first aid kit. Hygiene kit.
Good personal hygiene and hand washing are critical to help prevent the spread of illness and disease. Sanitation and hygiene become especially important during an emergency, such as a natural disaster, when finding clean, safe water could be difficult. Items like soap, shampoo, deodorant, a toothbrush, and toothpaste are just a few of the basic hygiene items that can easily be placed in a small kit or bag.
1. Wipes. 2. Soap. 3. Shampoo. 4. Toothbrush. 5. Toothpaste. 6. Towel. 7. Cloth.
Other practical emergency items.
1. Radio.
An emergency radio will keep you informed with news and weather when the power is out or you're off-grid. They also have helpful features like chargers and flashlights built into them.
2. Batteries.
Batteries are an important tool to be added in the emergency disaster survival kit. During disaster, electric supplies would be dead. Backup of the few extra batteries would be more useful.
3. Scissor.
Scissor is a basic hand tool to be added in the emergency kit. T serves multiple purpose during the disastrous time. It can be used to cut the bandages or plasters or gauze, cutting of clothes over the wounded area, and opening the simple food packs.
4. Lighter.
Lighter or matches. Fire is a must to stay warm at night. It can also be used to make a signaling device with smoke. Both lighters and matches are small and lightweight items, making them easy to pack in any survival kit.
5. Flashlight.
Flashlights are devices that provide illumination without the use of electricity. This strong beam of light can be easily controlled for specific tasks. These tools are necessary for countless environments and situations.
6. Whistle.
Whistles are one of the best bang for the buck items you can have with you in an emergency or survival situation. Whistles provide a very loud sound that require very little blowing effort. The sound of a whistle will attract rescue personnel to your location.
Food.
Familiar foods are important. They lift morale and give a feeling of security in times of stress. Try to include foods that will enjoy and that are also high in calories and nutrition. Foods that require no refrigeration, water, special preparation, or cooking are best.
Examples of food to be included in emergency kit are the following.
1. Water. 2. Canned foods. 3. Biscuits.
And now your emergency kit is already packed. Go bags existo save you from having to run around and gather items when a threatening situation is imminent. These bags are designed to provide everything a family of 4 needs to survive for several days after a disaster, especially if tried and trusted services aren't available. Be prepared.
Thank you for watching.